Hey guys, it's me, Ara. So, as requested, here is the Valentine's Day Dia del Amor Valentine embellishments. You don't even need Valentine's theme items for these embellishments. That is I don't know what I was gonna say. I forgot. I mentioned in the other video, the project share, that the banners, I cut them out using my Cameo when it was working. Right now I'm having some major issues with my machine. It's not aligning. Every time I cut, it doesn't want to align. So I'm just kind of like depressed, and I think I'm going to have to call Silhouette and see if they can help me out. But anywho, let's go back to these embellishments. The banners, I cut them out using a template that I found online. The template was, I searched the words banner template, bunting template, and the other one was called spearhead banner template, and it came out with 3 different types of banners. So this is one of them. So once you cut out your shapes, you can easily just print out a template and then hand cut it if you don't have a machine to cut your own banners. I went ahead and punched out a 3/4 of a circle glitter cardstock. That cardstock is from Michaels. It's by Recollections. That heart, I also cut that out of my Cameo. I googled hollow hearts, and I think that's what came up. Now, as you can see here, I layered the 3/4 inch circle, and then I added the heart on top of it, and then I added a label. That label was from one of the ephemera kits you can purchase on acdigitals.com. It's one of the ephemera kits by Maggie Holmes, I want to say. I love labels, so I had to get it mainly because of the label. I mean, I love Maggie Holmes, but because she makes some cute stuff, but that's the main reason why I purchased it. Then I went ahead and layered that with a tiny um, gold glitter circle, and then a uh, heart rhinestones. I guess that's what they're called. Now for this banner here, I went ahead and added some of the foam adhesive to the back. That foam adhesive is actually from Dollar Tree in the dollar section. The dollar section. Everything's a dollar. What am I talking about? In the stationery section, they had that tape. So I'm using a foam dot, like I said, and I went ahead and pulled out my shimmer chicken wiener. I don't know why I said that. It sounds stupid. But I pulled out the shimmery thread that I purchased at Joann's. I showed you guys the number. I'll type the number and stuff in the description in case you guys want to buy it online and you guys don't have access to an actual store. So I put that down, added some glue. Jesus! I'm all over the place today. Sorry, guys. Then I added the heart on top of that. That heart, I also cut it out of my Cameo machine before it went wonky on me. I'm going to add a label, one of the Maggie Holmes labels, on top of the beautiful heart because it's so beautiful and gorgeous. Then I couldn't decide what color heart I wanted to add to that little label there. I ended up going with a shimmery white cardstock glitter heart there. And I believe I added an enamel dot. Yes, I add a tiny black enamel dot to that label as well. I don't recall where I got these enamel dots from. I want to say I purchased them at Tuesday Morning a while ago. I don't remember. It's been so long. I was going to use a Tim Holtz little word. It's called Chit Chat, but I ended up pulling out another sticker sheet that I had in my stash collecting dust. And that one is by Jelly Bean Soup. It's from maybe 3 years ago. And I chose the word that said cutie pie, and I added that on top of the label, and I made it look fantastic. Now let's get into the winner of the secret giveaway I had in the previous video, the project share. The winner is Lollipalooza. Let's give her a hand. Lolly, if you're watching this, I will be sending you a message here on YouTube with the link to the workshop so you can access the videos. Now, for the rest of you that joined but did not win, don't fret, my friends. I will be doing future giveaways. They are not going to be like large stuff, but more than likely it'll be something from my stash, maybe even some handmade embellishments, maybe something I have created. I'll be doing secret giveaways. Sometimes I will tell you there's a giveaway in the video, and sometimes I will not tell you, so you have to watch to the end to find out if there is a giveaway. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.